Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add running text in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and I want to add a running text inside of my post. So I'm going to open a post editor and then click on block, and from here select custom HTML, and now here you have to paste a code, and you will find this code in video description below. So this is a marquee tag, and here you have to put your text, then click on update, and now let's see the result. So here you can see I added scrolling text inside of my post. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.